In life, conflicts are inevitable. A broken promise, a delayed payment, a silent betrayal. But justice doesn't always begin in a courtroom. Sometimes it starts with a letter, a legal notice, not a threat, not a weapon, but your first dignified step toward being heard. So the question is, what is a legal notice? A legal notice is a formal written communication, usually sent through an advocate, where you tell the other party, here's how I have been wronged, and here's your chance to make it right. It lays out your grievance, your expectations, and the time you're giving them to respond before taking legal action. It's a final chance for resolution, a call for justice without the war. Now the question is, why is it important? Because law isn't just about punishment, it's about fairness. A legal notice shows the court that you didn't rush in, that you gave the other side a chance to respond, to correct, to come forward. And sometimes that's all it takes. One letter, one notice, and disputes get resolved without the time, cost, or pain of a full-blown case. It also creates a documented trail, your version of truth, written, signed, and preserved. Now, the another important question is, when is a legal notice required? In most civil disputes under Indian law, a legal notice is the first formal step. Whether it's an unpaid debt, a breach of contract, delayed possession of property, or faulty services, the law expects you to speak first before you seek redress. In some cases, like suits against the government, it's not just expected, it's mandatory under Section 80 of the Civil Procedure Code. Because justice must be fair, even to those you oppose. Now, some of you must be thinking, can you file a case without a legal notice? Yes, you can file a civil case without sending a legal notice, but should you? Under Indian law, it's not a strict requirement in every matter. For example, urgent matters, like interim injunctions, or situations where delay causes harm, may go straight to court. But in most civil suits, especially involving contracts, property, or consumer rights, sending a legal notice shows good faith. It strengthens your case. It tells the judge, I tried peace before justice. And sometimes that gesture alone resolves everything. Moreover, a legal notice isn't just paperwork. It's your voice on record. It's your shield before you pick up the sword. It gives the other side one last chance to do what's right, without being forced. And it gives you the power to say, I tried, I stood firm, and now I seek justice with dignity. In law, your silence has no protection. But your words, when written right, can change everything. Don't suffer quietly. Send the notice. Take your stand. Let the law begin where your patience ends. Now, I would like to end the topic with a quote. Justice doesn't begin in court. It begins with your voice. Start with a legal notice.